Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Letty. That's Jack over there behind the camera.
Hey guys, I'm overviewing again today.
Today we're going to be making something called loaded mashed potatoes. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so today we're going to need a half cup of sour cream, 6 slices of chopped cooked bacon, a packet of ranch seasoning, 2 cups of cheese. You can use what you like, but generally Fiesta Blend covers it pretty well. And 6 cups of instant mashed potatoes. You can use old-fashioned mashed potatoes or prepackaged. For us, this meant we had to buy 2, but you could probably buy a 6-cup 1-in-1 package. So first we're going to add 6 cups of water. And we're going to set the water to about a medium heat and let that get to a boil. Okay, once your water is at a nice boil, we're going to go ahead and turn off the stove. We put the heat a little higher to go ahead and get it moving a little quicker. Now you're going to go ahead and pour in all of your mashed potatoes. Like I said earlier, we decided to use 2 packages. And you're going to want to stir them in with your jumbo fork or whatever you have handy. You're going to go ahead and stir it in until all the potatoes are, your favorite word, moist. Which may take us a second. Okay, so now that the mashed potatoes looks well enough stirred, we're going to go ahead and put the lid on it and let it sit for 1 minute. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our mashed potatoes and put them into the bowl. Not gonna lie, this is a little heavy. Probably because I'm pretty weak. Been sitting at the computer all day. Don't judge. And this is probably going to take a second, so we're going to speed this up. Alright, now we're going to add in our bacon and our sour cream, our cheese.
So much cheese.
Yes, it is. But cheese is a wonderful thing. Now when you go to the store, sometimes you can find this little 2 cups label on there. Helps a lot. Ignore the oven. Now we're going to add the ranch seasoning. That was a terrible shot at that, wasn't it? And stir it up. Once again, probably going to take a second. We'll be right back. Okay, there we go. Loaded mashed potatoes. Ignore the dirty dishes. And you can go ahead and add in chives or green onions chopped up. Just depends on what you want.
Okay, so yeah, there you go. Instant mashed potatoes. I added some chives and some cheese on top. It's garnished. It already has it in it, but I felt like adding some more. The stuff was really good. It's super quick to make, and it's really cheap. Anyway, thanks for watching, and here's the outro. Hey everybody, I'm cutting in for Letty here for the outro. She's a bit busy with something that came up. And anyway, so there you have it. That is how to do really quick, instant loaded mashed potatoes. You can do it with regular potatoes if you want, but the process takes a hell of a lot longer. And you may not be able to find potatoes wherever you are. Anyway, thanks for watching. You catch us here Tuesdays and Fridays most of the time. And other than that, we're here pretty much every day because our catalog is getting pretty big. You can also catch us on Instagram at Living Between and on Facebook at our page at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.